So you have your Deako smart lights set up and you're ready to connect them to Amazon Alexa for voice commands. Let me show you how to do that. So we're going to go to the Alexa app, go to Skills and Games. We're going to search at the top for Deako. Then we click that. Here we'll enable to use it. So it's going to ask you to actually link your Deako account. So it's going to ask you to sign in or create that account. But since you already have your Deako app set up, you should already have an account. This already actually has me logged in from before. So once you're signed in or you sign up, you can choose where the location. Only have one. These are the locations where your Deako devices are. Right, so it looks like the link has been set up. And so it's going to look for these devices. I already have them, I've already had them connected, so it's not going to find new devices. But in your case, since there won't be any current Deako devices on your Alexa app, it will find them. So we'll give this some time. I actually got some emails that the connection has been set up. Alright, so I don't have any new devices, but if we go here to lights, we'll see all the lights that were shown in the other room. And also, your zones should be ported over. So I have two zones. I have an all downstairs light zone, all upstairs light zone, and an all light zone. So if we search for those, they'll actually be in not the lights, but if we go to devices, go over all devices, we'll see all lights here. Down, upstairs lights there. And then downstairs lights.